Good morning, dear students. This is the chapter number 5, Operators in Java, and we are on page number 79. Here we have a topic output using print line and print. As we already know that we have two methods in Java. The first method, it is simply print, which can be used to print some message or some value in the current line. And this is the print ln. ln means line. So this is the print line method. The print line method is also used to print some message or some value on the screen. And today we will do what is the main difference between these two methods. So let's start. Whenever you want to print something in the Java program, you can write this statement within the method like system.out. System is inbuilt class in Java and out means output stream. So these two methods, println and print, they belongs to the output stream. So whenever you have to use print or println, you have to write system.out, again put one dot and then method name like print or println. Both methods, they are used to print something, and these two methods, they are defined in a package known as java.io package. So java.io package means java.input and output package. So these methods are part of this package. Then the println method will print something, and after printing that it will give a new line, whereas the print method will print some message on the screen, but it will not give a new line automatically. So here we have the syntax for using print or println, which I already told you. Firstly, you have to write system, then dot, then out, then again dot, and then method name like print or println. So here println method is defined. Println automatically terminates the message with a new line character. It means whatever message you have typed or you have given to the println, it will print that message, and after printing that message, a new line character will be added so that the cursor will be shifted in the new line. And if you are printing something again, and that message will be printed automatically in the new line. So the data is sent to the monitor and the cursor is moved to the next line. For example, here it is written system.out.println, hello, how are you? So this is the data, or this is the message that will be printed on the screen in the same line, and after printing that message, the cursor will be in the new line. And if you are printing something again, system.out.println, fine, thank you. So this message will be printed in the new line. As here again println is there, after printing this message, fine, thank you, again the cursor will be moved to the next line or the new line. Whereas if you are using simply print method, it will not move the cursor to the next line, but it will keep the cursor in the same row or same line. For example, system.out.print hello how are you, it will print the message and the cursor will remain in the same line. System.out.println fine thank you. So this is the output of print line. As you can see, both the messages they are in different lines, but here we have used only print method, so that's why the first message it is in the same line and the second message is also printed in the same row, so there is no new line given automatically. So this is the main difference between print and print line, that print method will not give new line automatically, but print line method will print the message and it will add a new line automatically after printing the message. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.